Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the 5 different ways how you can charge up your Samsung Galaxy S21 series without the charger in the box. So as you probably already know, when you are purchasing the Galaxy S21, it doesn't come with a charger, but it does come with a charger cable. So what you can do is use one of the old charger that you have available at home. Now I've got this one here is the original Samsung charger from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This one here is a Samsung charger again. It's very old. I don't know how long it is now. Probably I would say from Galaxy S7, 8 or something like that. It's very old charger, but it still have a very good output of over 2 amp. Now this one here have a very weak output of only 1 amp. So when you are using the old charger, just be aware that some old charger give out a very low output. So that can take quite a bit of time to charge up your Galaxy S21. So here we can test out the first method using the older charger. So I'm going to plug this one in. This is from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And I'm going to plug the cable into my S21. So if you don't have one, you can grab an older charger. So here we've got the input already. Okay, you can see this charger giving out quite a bit of power. It's giving out at the moment is 2.65 amp, which is really good because this is from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So the charger is still very decent. But if you haven't got one that is quite recent, let's test out with the older charger. This one is coming from the Galaxy S8, I guess, or S9. So let's test it out. Okay, so with this white Samsung charger, you can see the charging now has significantly reduced down to 1.6 amp. Now this is because the charger only giving out 1.67 amp or 2.0 amp at the maximum. So that is the reason why if you are using an older charger, sometimes it can take a while to charge up your Galaxy S21. Now another way to charge up your Galaxy S21 is to use the power bank. So you can charge up your power bank, and from your power bank you can charge it to your device. Now this power bank has quite a strong output. You can see here sometimes it can hover up to 2 amp. At the moment currently it's going down to 1.6 amp. As you can see right here in the green, that's 1.6 amp output at the moment. And so that is another way you can charge up your S21 by using a power bank. Okay, the third way to charge up your device is to use a computer or a laptop or a notebook. So here I'm going to plug into my Apple laptop, and then I'm just going to plug into my S21, and you can see it say charging. By plugging into the laptop, it has calculated that it would take 5 hours and 38 minutes to charge it up full. So it's quite long. Now the time has been decreased down to 4 hours and 52 minutes for it to charge up to a full charge. So by charging through the computer, it can take sometimes because the USB port coming out from the computer normally only give out 1 amp. That is the reason why when you are charging through the computer, it can take quite a long time to perform a full charge. Okay, and the fourth method is to use a wireless charger. For example, what I've got here is a Samsung fast wireless charging on Apple MagSafe. Even with Apple MagSafe, you still can charge up your Galaxy S21 device. So let's say if someone else in the family uses an iPhone, and you can share the charger with them. If they got a MagSafe on the table, you can just simply place your phone on the MagSafe to charge up. Okay, so let's test it out on the MagSafe charger. So it's a wireless charging, and it will take 3 hours and 4 minutes to charge up my device to full. At the moment, I'm at 33%. I can use the Samsung wireless charger. So it's now starts charging. And again, on this one here, with the Samsung wireless charging, it says it will take up 3 hours and 5 minutes to charge up full. Okay, another option, and the last option is to use wireless power sharing. So here I've got the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So if someone in the family or your friend has a device that capable of sharing power or sharing the battery power through their phone, you can ask them to turn on if they swipe down the quick panel settings and ask them to turn on wireless power sharing. Then all you have to do is just have your phone place it against the other one, and then you can see the phone will automatically start charging. And with wireless power sharing, in here it will take up to 3 hours and 5 minutes to have your phone fully charged. And that's it. Those are the 5 different ways how you can charge up your Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.